Hey guys, it's Greg again, and I have mustache and goatee. No, no. Anyway, guys, got this from the Lane Park Mall. But yeah, I had a rough day today. I'm not gonna tell you why. I'm so cold. Let's sit in my room. I gotta go to bed soon. Oh, battery. I'll have to make this video quick, but yeah, I'll have to make this quick, but anyway, I forgot to put a link to Patient Vlogs channel. So I'll do that in this video. So sorry guys, I forgot to do that. Sorry, Avery. And goodbye. This is a very short episode, but I'll make it exactly 1 minute. Just wait, now.